Okay. Can you pronounce it, please? Or read it?
Basara ka,
Si sib sis sing Sean Sho Sean Kong Sel Sim Sin
Wow.
Sign
And that's this.
and sign.
That's this. Okay. Like this. Okay, there it is. Wow. Okay. Oh, salamat. Can you do it?
Thank you.
Another
Thank
one?
you.
Thank you. Yes, good.
In Iskaya Lamis Samya.
Lamis Samyal.
Thank
Lamis
you.
Samyal. Lamis Samyal. Okay.
Vim Breast Big Ven
And it's like this.
Like this sign.
Ah.
Sign in
Because
Iskaya
the
Segna.
Iskaya letter is came from our part of our body.
The body.
So the outside and the inside of our body. So all liters.
So that's what it right there, right? That's the body part.
Iskaya
Yes,
Iskaya language
that's
is secret.
history of the Iskaya. The
Secret
of,
language. Wow.
Evolution.
That is
Oh, the evolution. Yes.
Those are the testament.
Oh, the testament.
Itong gikan ba sa konggaw? Ano subong?
Oh, wow.
Saan ba?
Can you
This
can you read
testament
this? Read this.
was found in a cave. And
Was found in a cave?
yes, long time ago somewhere in Pangnao, Dallas.
Valencia.
Valencia.
Sa konggaw, aw kang subong.
Wow.
They found that in a cave, and no one can read it. That is why they bring here, and we only
You can read it.
read it. Yes.
Can she read it?
In a big bamboo. They roll it up
read it.
and then it's fine.
Wala na,
Just like in,
sa gisod sa subong.
It was not destroyed because it is
In the bamboo.
So this is in the cave.
Very long
Covered
time.
too.
Dantong sa sila ko kasama na gidaan.
we call it the subong. The
Subong.
people who found
So-
it were able to read
Okay. If you want to read, can you read it, please?
so that they can
I'd like to hear what it says.
Oh.
Okay.
Valencia, Bohol. Year 11, 1904.
Okay.
Hibaloan sa tanan. Kining testamento nga akong gisulat ibilin kung handumanan sa atong mga batan-on karon ug sa mga umaabot pang mga batan-on pohon. Dili lamang dinhira sa Valencia kundi hasta usab sa mga batan-on sa tibuok nasod. Sa Pilipinas, number 1, nga ako si Salustiano, anak ni Bukhan nga akong amahan, ug ni Basaw nga akong inahan. Taga Buho, maga matuod ning testamento. Number 2, nga ang amahan ni Bukhan nga akong amahan mao si Nono, ug ang asawa mao si Balinga, ug sila akong mga apuhan, ug ako si Salustiano, apo sa Sungay. Number 3, nga si Nonok ug si Balinga akong Sungay na mga apuhan pulos taga Buho. Number 4, nga ang 5, nga ang amahan ni Nonok mao si Bo, ug ang iyang asawa mao si Agad, ug ako si Salustiano, ilang mga apo sa sungkod, mga pulos taga Buho. Number 5, na ang amahan ni Bo mao si Hok, ug ang asawa mao si Ma, ug si Salustiano, ilang apo sa tuhod, pulos mga taga Buho. Number 6, nga ang amahan ni Hok mao si Kal, ug ang iyang asawa mao si Araga, ug ako si Salustiano, nga ilang apo sa una pulos taga Buho ang kagikan.
Wow. Great.
Paano? Aron matuoron sa tanan sa Dios, kagamhanan ug mga katawhan. Gisulat ko o gipatik ko ang akong ngalanin maong testamento pinaagi sa Biskaya nga maoy among pinulungan taga-buho. Salustiano taga-buho. Mga testigos Maximo Abarado amahan. Toribio Abarado anak. Munay principal sa Valencia. Nga kaning mga testigos nga nakabitis nga nakita sa parang patay na sa unang mga panahon kwanto na sa
1904.
Enero 1 1904 wapa na tao
Wow. That's a New Year's. That's a memorable. Did you understand what she was
kani nga mga
I think he was telling that he is the son of what's his name? Salustiano. That they live in the Buho means
live there.
they are living in the
Biskaya
cave. I think
cave before.
before?
Wow.
he was telling who is there or who is his family.
Family.
He is the great grandchild of
mga taonan na ito
so those
Those
were
Ancestor of Biskaya.
the persons that are
Oh, so
referring to.
the cave, the cave that they were living in, is that here in Bohol?
In Valencia.
Valencia.
Somewhere in Valencia.
Somewhere in Valencia, Bohol.
So they're living
Here in Bohol.
In Bohol.
Because Iskaya is only here in Bohol.
Right, right.
Exclusive.
Okay.
So those are the persons.
the person
He was naming in
Bukhan.
the Testament.
is name Bukhan Basaw Nonok Balinga Bu Agad Hok Makal Araga Salustiano.
So that's
They're one family.
That's one
wow.
family.
Yes.
Generation.
Family of
They
Salustiano.
Wow.
long time ago.
Wow.
Are the family of Salustiano, the one who wrote
Salustiano.
the Testament.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
The original testament is still, we keep that.
Someplace
No
else.
one can
See that.
see that. Yes.
But this is
They
a copy.
preserve
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, that is cool.
This is a very,
We have
very
also a lot of books. The original books we also keep there.
They keep it for
Wow.
preservation.
yes, very important to preserve.
Yes.
In Israel, the Dead Sea Scrolls, they kept it in a jar, ceramic jar, in the cave. And a shepherd boy, goat herder, throw the stone to get the goat out. He throw the stone, he hear the pot break. Said, that's not natural. So he goes up to look and he finds all the scroll inside the ceramic jar. And the discovery was made, the Dead Sea Scrolls. So much value. My gosh.
Yeah.
The
There's the
museum's
Bible.
paying hundreds of
Yeah,
thousands of
Genesis,
dollars
Exodus,
for these
all
old
is
scrolls,
there.
from the Bible, the
From
Old
the time
Testament.
of Jesus.
So it's amazing that this is almost the same thing, but in the Philippines.
Yes. Yes.
In Israel, very dry and very arid, not humid, so the scroll doesn't disintegrate because it's dry. But in the humidity, paper will dissolve and get moldy and rot away.
That's why they put on a stone.
That's why they put on stone,
Yeah.
which is actually what the
That's
ancients used
smart.
to do.
Yeah.
So this is very, very amazing.
Oh wow. This is neat.
And this is
Some writings also was put in this
Ano?
tablet so that it will not be run.
raised, yes. So like this is made here. Was this made here?
No.
There's some more of these tablets that they use to learn their alphabets.
Yeah. And so the same thing with the Dead Sea Scrolls. It was found in a long jar like this. So very similar in a way.
Because we used to put water for our drinking water there.
Yes.
It's cold.
It's cold and it's stone, right? So it doesn't get moldy. It stays pure.
Yeah.
Wow.
Also, this one is where they.
Is it a millstone? Millstone to grind
Yes.
the
Yes, grind the
to
corn.
grind the
For
yeah.
corn.
Yeah, and this is the bottom, right?
This one is for rice.
For rice.
Ah, to like this, to grind like this.
Grind, yes.
Oh,
Still like grinding.
Mm-hmm.
gee, this is so nice.
Funny.
And this is
What-
more
what
to
is
learn
this?
Their alphabet.
Edgar, what is all this?
That's name
Their name.
tag.
Name tag.
Oh,
Ah,
name tag. Oh, okay. Wow.
Here, look like this, Lisa.
That's their name tag.
Take a picture.
There. There's the name
Name
tag.
tag.
That's right.
This one you cannot lose, and it won't tear or get wet or anything.
Yeah. So this is
Wow.
the students. The students. Here. Ah.
And the students learn from this too.
Because they were encouraged for the tourism to make like small woods like this for like souvenirs, but they're
yeah.
still they did not yet.
They're still working on it. Ah, okay. Wow.
Now
Because
I
they
know.
need a proper training for on how to handle like that.
Yes. How to do Yeah, that would be great.
Sure.
People would buy that for sure. That's neat.
Yeah, the Eskaya has a lot of land, a lot of property,
Yes,
and they grow their crops.
our Ashral domain has a 3,103 hectares.
Hectares.
Yes.
So
But that hectares, 3,000 plus, is it's also cover our the poor community. Because the Eskaya is not only here in Taytay-Dera, but there's also
Yeah,
other place.
yeah, Romeo said there's other locations,
Yes,
yeah.
like Pilar, Sarabulones, Gindulman.
But we're
We
Okay.
have four
Neighboring.
community.
Neighboring.
Neighboring.
neighboring community.
Yes.
Do
So
you guys get together? The different communities?
communities
that
come
never
together for festival?
for-
Or
Yes,
things?
every year we have our celebration. We call it Eskaya Day.
Eskaya Day.
yes.
On what day is this?
Every May 5.
May
May
5.
5. Oh,
So we
right.
want to be here May 5. We want to be here in October 24.
Yes.
Those are to experience the Eskaya festival. Wow.
So aside from that, we have also a IPD every
Indigenous People Day,
August.
August 9, IPD.
IPD.
Okay.
That's worldwide celebration.
Oh, worldwide.
All
IP.
IPs.
IP.
IP.